Okay, today I need a pin or nail, a bottle of water with a cap. I make a hole in the bottle. The cap is closed, now I open it. You see the water start to spill out. I close it, close the cap, it stops dropping water. That is due to the atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure is higher than the hydraulic pressure inside the bottle. But if I open it, then atmospheric pressure is acting also on the water. So the water push out and spill out. If I squeeze the bottle, I increase the pressure and it's also get out. So if you like it, you can subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Don't forget to give thumbs up. Bye.